Welcome to Learn Smart. And welcome to the video on 3D bioprinting. In this video, we'll go over a complete overview of this exciting technology, including its uses, examples, and future potential. Part A. What is 3D bioprinting? 3D bioprinting is a process that uses living cells to create three-dimensional structures. The process starts with a 3D computer model of the desired structure. This model is then sliced into thin layers, and each layer is printed one at a time. The printing process uses a bioink, which is a mixture of living cells and a gel-like substance. As the layers are printed, the cells are deposited and the gel-like substance is used to hold them in place. Once the printing process is complete, the structure is allowed to grow and mature. Part B. What are the uses of 3D bioprinting? 3D bioprinting has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including medicine, food production, and materials science. In medicine, 3D bioprinting could be used to create custom implants, tissue grafts, and even organs. This could help to solve the problem of organ shortage, and it could also be used to create personalized treatments for diseases. In food production, 3D bioprinting could be used to create new food products with tailored nutritional profiles. This could help to improve food security and nutrition, and it could also be used to create personalized foods for people with special dietary needs. In materials science, 3D bioprinting could be used to create new materials with enhanced properties. This could lead to the development of new products with improved performance, and it could also be used to create materials that are more resistant to damage. Part C. Examples of 3D bioprinting. There are already a number of examples of 3D bioprinting being used in real-world applications. For example, in 2017, researchers at Wake Forest University used 3D bioprinting to create a human ear. This ear was made from living cells, and it was able to hear sounds. Another example of 3D bioprinting in action is the development of lab-grown meat. This meat is created by growing muscle cells in a lab, and it is then 3D printed into the desired shape. Lab-grown meat is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the food industry. Part D. The future of 3D bioprinting. 3D bioprinting is a rapidly evolving field, and there are many exciting possibilities for the future of this technology. In the years to come, we can expect to see 3D bioprinting being used to create even more complex and sophisticated structures. We may even see 3D bioprinting being used to create organs that are fully functional and able to replace damaged or diseased organs. If you're interested in learning more about 3D bioprinting, I encourage you to do some research online. There are many resources available that can teach you about the basics of this technology and its potential applications. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.